Nature is the universe's most seasoned engineer, and it's been hiding its blueprints in plain sight. This cryptic puzzle is solved through the concept of biomimicry, a practice where innovation meets inspiration on the grand stage of the natural world. From the smallest microorganism to the vast cosmos, nature has been the silent muse behind countless technological advancements, an endless source of complex designs and ingenious solutions. The marvels of biomimicry are all around us, if we know where to look. Did you ever wonder where the idea for Velcro came from? Let's take a step back to the year 1941. A Swiss engineer named Georges de Mestral embarked on a hunting trip with his dog in the Alps. Upon returning, he noticed his dog's fur and his own clothes were covered in burrs. Intrigued by the tenacity of these tiny hitchhikers, de Mestral examined them under a microscope. He observed the burrs' hook-like structures, which clung to anything with a loop, like fabric or animal fur. Fascinated by this natural mechanism, he saw an opportunity for technological innovation. After years of experiments, he successfully replicated the burrs' hook and loop system into what we now know as Velcro. Today, Velcro is a staple in clothing, footwear, and even aerospace applications, all thanks to a fateful walk in the woods and a burr's stubborn persistence. So, the next time you fasten Velcro, remember the burrs. How can a bird influence the design of a high-speed train, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in the fascinating world of biomimicry. When engineers in Japan were faced with the problem of excessive noise from their Shinkansen bullet trains, they turned to nature for a solution. You see, the bullet train's noise was mainly due to the air pressure changes when these high-speed trains entered tunnels, creating a loud sonic boom. So, how does one reduce this noise? Inspiration came from an unlikely source: the kingfisher bird. The kingfisher dives into water to catch fish with very little splash. It achieves this by having a long and pointed beak, which allows it to cut through the air and water with minimal resistance. The engineers took a cue from this bird and redesigned the bullet train's nose to mimic the kingfisher's beak. The result? A significant reduction in noise and even improved energy efficiency. Nature's solutions can often be found in the most unexpected places. Termites are pests, right? Not always. In the world of biomimicry, these little creatures are the masterminds behind an architectural marvel. Let's journey to Zimbabwe, where the Eastgate Center, a large office and shopping complex, stands as a testament to termite ingenuity. It's not the aesthetics of termite mounds that inspired this design, rather it's their intricate internal structure. You see, termite mounds are natural wonders of ventilation. They maintain a near-constant temperature inside, despite the sweltering heat outside. Architect Mick Pierce took note of this and designed the Eastgate Center to emulate these conditions. The result? A building that stays cool without the need for energy-consuming air conditioning. This termite-inspired structure uses only 10% of the energy of a conventional building its size. It's a shining example of how observing and imitating nature can lead to sustainable solutions. Even pests can become teachers in the realm of biomimicry. Bugs might make some people squirm, but they're a goldmine for roboticists. That's right. The world of creepy crawlies is an engineer's playground, brimming with inspiration. Consider the humble cockroach. Its ability to scuttle rapidly, even in confined spaces, has led to the creation of nimble robots that could aid in search and rescue operations. Then there's the dragonfly, a master of aerial acrobatics. Mimicking its four-winged design has given rise to agile drones that can maneuver with unprecedented precision. Even the simple ant, with its impressive load-carrying capacity, is inspiring designs for robust, efficient industrial robots. So next time you see a bug, remember, in the world of robotics, bugs aren't a glitch, they're a feature. Leaves may seem simple, but they're actually solar powerhouses. They've perfected the art of harnessing sunlight, using it to create energy through a process we all know as photosynthesis. Now imagine if we could replicate this process in our technology. In fact, that's exactly what's happening. Engineers are turning to leaves for inspiration, studying their structure and functionality to improve solar panel designs. The goal? To create panels that can capture and convert sunlight into energy as efficiently as a leaf. This approach, my friends, could revolutionize solar power, making it more accessible and efficient. It's a prime example of how nature's genius can guide our technological advancements. The future of solar power might just lie in a leaf. Birds have been flying long before humans ever dreamed of it. Their grace, efficiency, and maneuverability in the air are truly awe-inspiring. It is no wonder, then, that the world of technology, specifically drone design, is looking towards these masters of the sky for inspiration. Consider the flight patterns of birds. From the effortless gliding of an albatross to the rapid flapping of a hummingbird, each species has a unique way to navigate the skies. By studying these patterns, engineers are finding ways to improve drone technology. Imagine drones that can glide effortlessly, conserving energy for longer flights, or drones that can hover in place with precision, just like a hummingbird, making them ideal for tasks that require a steady hand. Birds have evolved over millions of years to become efficient flyers. By mimicking their flight patterns, we can design drones that are more efficient, more maneuverable, and more capable than ever before. Birds don't just inspire poetry, they inspire technology. Sharks are speed demons of the sea, and their secret lies in their skin. The skin of a shark is not smooth as one might imagine, but covered in tiny tooth-like structures called denticles. These denticles reduce drag and turbulence, allowing the shark to swim faster and more efficiently. Now imagine harnessing this power for human use. That's exactly what scientists and engineers have done. Inspired by the shark's skin, they've developed swimsuits for competitive swimmers, designed to reduce drag and increase speed. These swimsuits mimic the rough, denticle-covered skin of a shark, giving swimmers that extra edge in the race. It's a fantastic example of how studying nature can lead to technological advancements. When it comes to speed in the water, sharks lead the way. So, what's next for biomimicry? As we look forward, the possibilities are as vast and varied as nature itself. In the realm of medicine, scientists are exploring how the regenerative abilities of starfish and lizards could inspire new treatments for human injuries. Transportation could be revolutionized as we learn from the efficient flight patterns of migratory birds, potentially leading to more fuel-efficient aircraft. Moreover, in the energy sector, the humble leaf could hold the key to more efficient solar panels. Just as leaves convert sunlight into energy, so too could our future energy systems, harnessing the sun's power more effectively than ever before. From the microscopic to the macroscopic, from the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, nature is a veritable treasure trove of innovative solutions. The challenge for us is to observe, to learn, and to adapt these solutions to our needs. The future of biomimicry is as boundless as the biodiversity that inspires it. Biomimicry begins with a simple act: observation. It's about pausing, looking around, and being inquisitive about the world we inhabit. From the way ants carry their food to how leaves capture sunlight, nature is a fantastic teacher. It's a world teeming with solutions to our most complex problems, solutions that have been refined through millions of years of evolution. So next time you're out in nature, take a moment to observe. To unlock nature's secrets, we need only to watch and learn. Now that you've discovered the marvels of biomimicry, it's your turn to explore. The world around you is teeming with ingenious designs, from the spiraling pattern of a pine cone to the aerodynamics of a bumblebee. Let nature be your tutor. Observe, question, and consider how these natural wonders could inspire the next generation of technology. Remember, innovation is not confined to a lab or a blueprint. It's all around you. Who knows? The next big biomimicry breakthrough could come from you. What biomimicry innovation impresses you the most? We invite you to dive into the comments and share your favorite examples of nature-inspired technology. Your insights could spark the next big idea. We can't wait to hear your thoughts on biomimicry. If you enjoyed this journey into biomimicry, show your support. Tap that like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing explorations into nature-inspired technology and other captivating subjects. Remember, nature is waiting to inspire us all. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of biomimicry. As we've seen, the natural world continues to enrich our lives, not just through its beauty, but as a source of profound technological inspiration. Stay curious, stay observant, and stay inspired. Until next time. For more insights into the marvels of nature and technology, delve deeper with our other engaging videos. Whether it's the world of robotics or the secret life of insects, there's always something to stir your curiosity. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep marveling at the world around you. Let's dive deeper into the world of biomimicry. This fascinating concept goes way beyond mere imitation of nature. It's about understanding, appreciating, and applying the principles that allow nature to thrive in all its complexity and elegance. It's about the laws that govern the flight of birds, the efficiency of a termite mound, or the resilience of a forest. By comprehending these principles, we can develop solutions that are not only innovative, but also sustainable, efficient, and in harmony with the world we live in. Biomimicry, my friends, is not just about copying nature. It's about learning from it, honoring it, and cohabitating with it. Nature is the ultimate problem solver. With billions of years under its belt, nature has had the time to experiment, fail, learn, and perfect its designs. Every organism, every ecosystem has found a way to survive, thrive, and flourish in their own unique style. From the way a tree spreads its roots to absorb nutrients, to how a bee colony works in perfect harmony, each has lessons to teach us. By studying these natural solutions, we can find innovative and sustainable ways to solve our own complex problems. We can build cities that breathe, create technology that adapts, and design systems that are resilient and self-sustaining. Nature has the answers, we just need to ask the right questions. Let's open our minds to the wisdom of the natural world and see where it leads us. In our fast-paced, digitally driven world, we often find ourselves disconnected from the natural world. We're surrounded by concrete jungles and high-tech devices, while the wisdom of nature seems a distant memory. But biomimicry offers us a unique opportunity to reconnect with our roots, to see nature not just as a source of inspiration, but as a guide, a mentor. Through the lens of biomimicry, each leaf, each insect, each wave becomes a lesson, a potential solution to our most pressing challenges. By studying and emulating nature, we can create solutions that are not only innovative, but also sustainable and harmonious with the environment. It allows us to build a bridge between technology and nature, where the brilliance of human invention can meet the timeless wisdom of natural evolution. Biomimicry is not just a design principle, it's a pathway to a more sustainable and resilient future. It's a reminder that we are and always will be a part of nature. Imagine having a tool that could spark new ideas, inspire groundbreaking solutions, and revolutionize entire fields. That tool is biomimicry. It's not confined to any one discipline. It's as applicable to architecture as it is to medicine. The possibilities are as limitless as nature itself. By looking to nature, we can uncover innovative solutions that are not just effective, but sustainable and efficient. It's like having an innovation toolkit that's been tested and refined over millions of years. This approach to innovation isn't just about solving problems, but doing so in a way that respects and learns from the natural world. Biomimicry, therefore, isn't just an innovation tool, but a tool for the future. A future where human ingenuity and nature's wisdom work hand in hand. Biomimicry is a journey of discovery, a voyage of curiosity and exploration. It's about looking at the world around us with fresh eyes, asking questions we might not have thought to ask before. What can we learn from the way leaves photosynthesize sunlight, or how birds navigate vast distances? How can the mechanisms of a simple seed dispersal inspire the next big innovation in aeronautics? This journey can lead to amazing discoveries, and by extension, astonishing innovations that can change our world for the better. It's not just about adapting to nature, it's about evolving with it. So, we invite you to join us on this fascinating journey of discovery, where we learn from nature's genius to create a more sustainable and innovative future.